Good morning, Galaxy of Intellectuals, resource person, Dean Ycet, HOD of Computer Engineering Department, faculty members, and participants. On the third day of Faculty Development Program, Faculty on Artificial Intelligence, we welcome you all in the gathering. It is a matter of great happiness to welcome you all in the Faculty Development Program organized by the Department of Computer Engineering. Now, I would like to invite Dean Academic Ycet, Engineer Dinesh Gupta, for the welcome address.
Anshu, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Thank you very much, Anshu ma'am. Today's resource person, Dr. M. SELLADURAI, Engineer B.R. Burma, Chief Coordinator, Engineer Robin Kumar, HOD of the CSC Department, colleagues, and my dear students. Good morning to all of you. I, Dinesh Gupta, Dean Academics of Jogananda College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, feel honored and privileged to welcome you all. Today's resource person, Dr. M. SELLADURAI, is working as Assistant Professor at St. Joseph University, Nagaland. He is also the convener of IIC. He has done his PhD from Periyar EBR College, Tiruchirappalli in the year 2018. He has research experience of 4 years and teaching experience of 6.5 years. He has also authored a book by the title Technopreneurship in India. He has organized many funded programs and also member of many professional. Of them are Indian Accounting Association, Indian Chamber of Commerce, and IARA. He has presented more than 28 papers in national and international journals of repute and presented more than 43 papers in seminars and conferences. He has also attended more than 40 national and international workshops. He has also acted as coordinator in more than 43 national and international events. He has also acted as resource person in more than 10 national events. He has also received Best Researcher Award. We have a long relationship when Dr. M. SELLADURAI invited me as a resource person for one of his IIC activity. Thanks, Dr. M. SELLADURAI, for accepting our invitation. Thanks, and over to Anshu ma'am.
Thank you very much, sir, for your words. Now, I would like to invite resource person for the second day of our FDP, third day of our FDP, that is M. SELLADURAI, to conduct the session on future of artificial intelligence on digital commerce. Sir, please start your session. SELLADURAI, sir, am I audible? I think there is network issue, sir. Sir, please start your session. Other participants, please wait. I think there is some issue from his side. Please wait for some time.
He is very much in the meeting room and he is listening all of us. But I think he has some issue regarding his audio.
Sorry.
SELLADURAI, sir.
Sir, is my voice is audible?
Yeah, now
Yes,
it is
yes.
audible. Sir.
Audible,
Now
sir.
it is audible.
Okay, man. Just give me a moment. I will start my presentation. And thanks for the very warm words, greetings, and pleasant intro about me. As Dinesh Gupta ji said that we had a long relationship, we had a healthy relationship among past 6 months through this institution's innovation council. Today we are going to talk about the future of artificial intelligence in the term of digital commerce. Right. Just a second. Come on. Today you are troubling me a lot. Yes. I got the link. The future of AI in digital commerce. Oh, yes. From '25. Till now it shows only 75. Come on. So sorry. Right now I'm in Bihar. Here the network is not so supportive to me to organize this program. So just give me 2 more minutes to start my session.
No issue, sir. Now your audio is very much clear, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay. Take a few months. Come on.
Very good afternoon, sir. Sir, your slide is not visible. Sir, I'm audible?
Selladurai, sir, unmute your mic.
So kindly unmute your mic, sir. Sorry for the delay. There is a slight glitch in uh, the network, so be patient. The FW will start soon.
Okay. Sir, is my voice audible?
Sir,
morning,
truly,
everyone.
it's audible, sir. It's audible.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so
Voice
much.
is also audible, and you are also visible, sir.
Sorry, sir. Sorry for the delay. As per the schedule, now I'm going to start my session, and I'm trying to share the screen. Window of my PowerPoint. Sir, is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir. Your
Yes,
screen
sir.
is
Now
visible,
it
sir.
is visible.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay. Right. This is the topic today we are going to see about on this 5 days FDP. Right. Artificial intelligence is the most wanted topic and the most needed topic we are discussing in the today's century. Right. This is a slide. Dinesh Gupta sir told me that you are going to deliver a session on the topic artificial intelligence, right? On that day, I remembered a small incident. While I am studying, sir, is my voice audible? Can anyone of you, can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's completely audible, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Because here the network issues are going, so only I'm repeatedly asking if my voice is clear to you. That's all, right? Okay. On the day, Sat told me that you are going to handle a session on artificial intelligence. On the day, I remember a small story that told by my class teacher in the age of around 14 or 15, right? That's I'm studying and the in the section of 8th or 9th. I didn't remember that. He told me that in the future, the whole process will be take over by, or the whole process will be a computerized one. What will be your status on that situation, right? It's about around 2000 or 2001, right? In the year 2000, computer is a new one, right? On the day, unemployment is a upcoming or a rising problem for the Indian economy. On that day, my supervisor or my class teacher told me that if your whole process will be carried out by a computerization, what will be your status, right? On the day, I am highly scared about my employment situation also, because humans are getting unemployed on the day year 2000, right? But the human processors are challenged and eradicated by the mechanisms like computers. If the whole process will be charged by the computer, what will be the status of human being? Right. That's my single question on that day. Right. Intelligence and artificial intelligence. That means human intelligence and artificial intelligence. This is the topic we are going to discuss on this session. And what will be the growth of, or what will be the future of the artificial intelligence in the digital commercial activities. Right? And this is the basic definition of the intelligence. That means human intelligence. Intelligence has been defined in many ways: the capacity of abstraction, logic, understanding, self-awareness, learning, emotional knowledge, reasoning, planning, creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. Right? This is the main theme of the. Like this, the intelligence will be the basic difference between the mechanisms and the computers as well as the humans, right? It can be divided into two parts, because all the computers having these intellectual capacities within them, because we are going to inbuild the intelligent capacity in the mechanism, right? uh, yeah, already I said that the word computers means someone or something that can compute, That's the purpose why we are initiating the concept of computer. Years ago, before the computers come to being, humans who did calculations were called computers. Now computers can carry our calculations, data manipulations, and even it can easily control the equipments connected to the computers as per our instructions. Right? What are the instructions we are giving to that mechanisms? The mechanisms or that computers will follow our instructions only. Beyond that, it cannot do anything. Right? Simply, we can say that humans can do all those things, but computers can do it first. Right? Me and my computer will do the same thing. That means I am doing the same problem. That means calculations in a slow manner, and the computers will do it in a fast manner as well. The accuracy level of that computer is very, very high. Right? The computers can do more than 2 or 3 billion transactions. Right? 2 or 3 billion transactions in per second, but we, the human beings, are not able to do that. Right? This disparity is the evident if we change the time series of that scale. If the computers take 1 second to do a complicated calculations, we, the human beings, are taking a lot of time for solving the problem. If you want to find a document, simply say that this is my personal laptop, and I am storing my every document, each and every document in this hard disk only, right? But I forget to recollect the information where I felt it, right? So as a human being, I'm going to search it. It will take some time, but there is a search engine in this laptop that will be called as the artificial intelligence. If I give some keywords about that particular file, it will get me that file within a 2 or 3 seconds. Right? That will be the main advantage of artificial intelligence. Right? Among 10,000 documents, among a lakh of documents, among a crore of documents, we can easily find out the exact document with the help of AI, artificial intelligence. Right? When AI learns how to solve a problem, it can solve it as much easier, as much faster. Again and again, it will do it the same process because the programming or the instruction given to that given to that mechanism is the same. For example, it can recognize the voice we are regularly using. It can easily recognize the image or find what is it in a picture, right? It can easily find what is it in a picture, or diagnose a disease, or detect the fraudulent activities, right? For that only we are fixing every place with a CCTV camera that is called as a security camera, right? So these things could not be automated because one could not tell a computer how to do them, right? So artificial intelligence achieve these tasks much faster and cheaper than humans. Okay. For example, let's say you plan to travel to Japan, right? Or we plan to travel to, I'm from Bihar. Basically, I'm a South Indian people and working in a northeastern region of India, Nagaland. But right now, I'm located in Bihar, the capital district of Patna, right? But I will find out most of the details are in Bihari, right? Yes, if there are so many informations in Hindi, but I don't know Hindi, that means I can easily translate the Hindi words into an English or into an Bihari or into an Bhojpuri with the help of Google Translator. Right. Even I'm a human being, I'm not able to translate anything to some languages, but Google Translator is an artificial instrument. It can easily translate each and every sentence, each and every words of a Hindi to English, Hindi to Chinese, Hindi to Japanese, like that. Okay. So years back to do the same thing, either I have to find someone who knows the Bhojpuri language or who knows the Hindi language, or I have to hire a translator with me, right? But however, now Google, the artificial intelligence, can afford to give it to you for free, right? Yes, Google is offering most of the products as a free, complicated product only. This is the most power. This is the one of the most powerful strength of the artificial intelligence, right? And this is the image how psychologists define the intelligence. That means the ability to learn, right? That means each and every person have some skills to learn, to speak, to write, to create things, right? Like that. Otherwise, we can simply call it as a learning from experience, right? Learning from experience. This is the topics we have learned from our schooling itself, right? Learn from experience. The acquisition, the retention, how to eat, how to draw, how to run, right? Recognize the problems. So identifying the problems as well, recognizing the problems is the second psychological intelligence, and the third one is solving the problem, right? So first one, we are having an experience and we are having some part of learnings from that experience. Second one, we have the skills or we have the abilities to identify the problems as well. The third part, the advanced technique is, once we identify the problem, we can easily able to solve, or we can easily able to find a solutions for that problem, right? So this is the psychologists define the intelligence concept. Now we are moving to the core part of our today's session, the artificial intelligence, right? I think artificial intelligence is not a new concept to you all, because as per this 5 days program, already on the first day, Dr. Manish Saxena already said that how artificial intelligence is working in the mailing services itself, right? And yesterday, Dr. Anish Goyal is clearly explained with a crystal clear presentation about the machine learning languages, right? And two more sessions are there with Mrs. Satya and Dr. N. Again, they are also giving most of their intelligent experiences with you about this artificial intelligence topic, right? On my point of view, artificial intelligence is simply, right? Artificial intelligence is simply mimicking it, just copying the human behavior into a mechanical behavior, right? Most of the examples for artificial intelligence is the chatbots, right? Then lot of text to speech or speech to text, right? The search engines, Google search engine is our most helpful AI, right? Later, there are so many real-time examples for this concept, artificial intelligence. Okay, I will show you the best examples of artificial intelligence, how the artificial intelligence is digested with our practical life, with our daily life. Without any artificial intelligence, we cannot survive our life like that. Okay. These are the basic difference between the human intelligence as well the artificial intelligence. The first one is energy efficiency. For human intelligence, it needs just 25 hours, when compared to this artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence just need 2 watts of energy for consumption. In the universal, humans usually learn how to manage hundreds of different skills during life, but the machines cannot use these multi-tasking tests, right? Human beings are able to handle a multiple responsibilities or to handle a multitasking process, but the artificial intelligence are not able to handle a multi situations within a stipulated time, right? On the concept of decision making, humans are the capable of making decisions, but the artificial intelligence are not able to make the proper decisions on the right time, right? And on the state, humans are statistical and the artificial intelligence are digital, right? In this concept, we already know that with the comparison of humans with artificial intelligence got more and more advantages, right? But this slide, I want to show that humans are very capable, very qualitative persons while compared to the artificial intelligence. So that's why this image was shown that. Now, just a comparison between a machines and a humans, right? Machines do not have life, but the humans have some lifespan. Okay, so humans having some lifespan, but machines don't have any lifespan till their destruction, right? On the other hand, humans are made of flesh, blood. Life is not a mechanical for humans. Okay, on the second point, humans have feelings, emotions, and they can express their happiness, angers, right? But machines are not able to express their happiness as well their emotions. Okay, humans can do anything as a original manner, but the machines are not to do any original thinking capabilities. Okay, humans have the capability to understand situations and behave accordingly, right? On human beings will act according to these situations, but machines will not act according to the situations. Okay, because machines having their own coding. Machines will do what they are instructed, right? If I instructed Dinesh Gupta ji, good morning, right? Okay, if Dinesh Gupta sir is so happy, the machines are not able to congratulate them as well. He is not in a proper manner. The machines are not able to guide them properly, right? Because the machines are doing their work as per their instructions only, right? And the final point, humans perform with the intelligence. On the contrary, machines only have an artificial intelligence, right? Okay. The important types of artificial intelligence, it can be classified into 4 broad categories, right? Like that, the reactive machines, artificial intelligence, limited memory, artificial intelligence, theory of mind, artificial intelligence, and the fourth one, self-aware artificial intelligence, right? The first one, reactive machines, artificial intelligence. Okay, the most basic type of artificial intelligence is reactive artificial intelligence. This is the most of the people, most of our human beings are using, right? The most basic type of artificial intelligence is reactive artificial intelligence, which is programmed to provide a predictable output based on the input it receives. Or reactive mechanics always respond to identical situations in the exact same way every time, and they are not able to learn actions or conceive of past or future, right? So these kind of artificial intelligence only act according to the reactions, and it is not can able to save a lot of information within it. It will not react upon beyond the future also. For example, just playing supercomputer, right? This is the first thing. Got the priority. All of having our games in our mobile, right? In that mobile, I'm going to play as well the computer. The artificial intelligence are also going to play very clever manner, right? The artificial intelligence, the computer will play the game in a perfect manner, in a proper manner with the wise man, right? And the second call is the spam filters in emails, right? On the first day, first day itself, we are having a more concept on the spam filters in email. How the emails are filtering their mails according to the instructions of the prophet, right? And the third concept is that Netflix recommendations engine, right? Sir, okay, right. These are the basic of that concept. And the second one is limited memory artificial intelligence, right? The name itself clearly defines that limited memory artificial intelligence. Okay. Limited memory artificial intelligence learns from the past and builds experiential knowledge by observing actions or data. This type of AI uses historical observational data in combination with pre-programmed information to make predictions and perform complex classification stacks. It is the most widely used kind of AI today, right? For example, autonomous vehicles. That means the automated vehicles. Okay. These automated vehicles use limited memory AI to observe other cars. To observe other cars. Other cars' speed and direction, helping them read the road and adjust as needed. This process for understanding and interpreting incoming data makes them safer on the roads. Right. This artificial intelligence, automated cars is nothing but self-driving cars. That means otherwise called as the smart cars. Right. We have a glass on our windows. Right. We are the human beings and we are the adult, so we have some ideas on while the mirrors of the doors is rising up, we have to get in our hands, but our kids, right, below the age of 4 or 5, they are not able to identify the glass is rising up in the door, so we have to get in our head or the hand itself, right? So the artificial intelligence is working on that itself also. Okay. And the third concept is a theory mind of artificial intelligence. Want to hold a meaningful conversation with an emotionally intelligent robot that looks and sounds like a real human being. That's on the horizon with theory of mind AI. Okay. Right. And the fourth concept is self-aware artificial intelligence. The most needed of in the current situation. The most advanced type of artificial intelligence is self-aware artificial intelligence. Right. When machines can be aware of their own emotions as well as the emotions of others around them. Right. Kindly repeat it. Just a minute. Right. Kindly repeat the words again. When machines can be aware of their own emotions as well as the emotions of others around them, right? They will have a level of consciousness and intelligence similar to human beings. This type of AI will have desires, needs, and emotions as well. Everything like a human being, right? But let's just pray that we don't reach that state of AI, right? Because if the artificial intelligence, if the robots have the same emotions, consciousness like the human beings, it will do anything beyond our control, right? It will do anything beyond our control. However, in the future, achieving a stage of super intelligence might be possible. Yeah, this situation is also possible in the future itself. But the geniuses like Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking have consistently warned us about the evolution of artificial intelligence. Right. Okay. With a few examples, I am going to share the concept with you. Right. This self-aware artificial intelligence is a savior or a killer in the point of human being, right? In the point of a human being, because self-aware artificial intelligence, we already discussed about that. A robot can do anything like a human being. It also having some emotions. It also having some intelligence powers like that. With some examples, I will try to convey that information to you, right? This is the concept. We already know that a Hollywood movie called iRobot, right? In that movie, we know that as well. This is the Hollywood movie, and we already have an Indian movie also called Robo, right? Called Robo. Okay, so these are the movies, and we already know the exact concept of that movie. Okay, so both the movies having the same concept of the theme with the artificial intelligence, advanced, most advanced artificial intelligence. Okay, when artificial intelligence learns how to solve a problem, it can solve it much faster, right? Okay, for example, it can recognize a voice. Already we told that it can easily find what is in a picture, right? Okay, clear. So this will be the example. If the robot having the same consciousness or the emotions, it will totally destroy the human being, because human beings have a lifespan. Within a 40 years, within a 50 years, within 100 years, the human beings will be destroyed. But humans, sorry, the mechanism, the artificial intelligence, the robots have no lifespan. Okay, clear? Because as a human beings, if I'm doing a wrong thing, some human beings are able to control me, right? I will be controlled by my supervisor or my parents or somebody else. Okay, but yeah, artificial intelligence or a mechanism or a robot is doing a wrong thing, nobody can control it, right? Okay, clear. Okay, now I'm moving to the core concept, and we have more. Okay, now I'm going to move to the core commerce concept of our today's session. Commerce as well the digital commerce, right? Commerce is the exchange of goods and services, especially on a large scale. This is the basic definition of commerce, right? But as I am from commerce stream, my definition is so simple in the term of commerce, right? Those who are able to convert a simple product into a profit, single product into a profit is called as a commerce. In my point of view, commerce is nothing but the profit. Commerce is nothing but the profit. If I'm going to sell my good or I'm going to sell my skill for some profits only, right? For some profit, I'm going to exchange my goods. Sorry, for I'm going to sell my good or service, it called be a commerce. So commerce is nothing but profit. It is a simple term. Okay. And digital commerce is the process of buying and selling goods and services through digital without human intervention. Right? This is the basic difference between the commerce as well as the digital commerce. Otherwise, we can differentiate it with the traditional commerce and the digital commerce. Okay, traditional commerce is doing all the activities with the help of human beings, but digital commerce is doing the same buying and selling without the help of human beings. Okay, right? The below image can easily convert the concept. The left one is digital market, sorry, digital commerce, and the right one is traditional commerce. Okay. These are the 4 concepts of the commercial activities, right? So these are the 4 concepts of commercial activities. It can be classified into the first one, business to business, the second one, business to consumer, the third one, consumer to consumer, and the fourth one is consumer to business, right? Let's see what will be this. Business to business commerce is, we already know that some business people will deal with the same business people like that. Okay. Okay, they supply the business to business is nothing but suppliers to producers, or producers to wholesalers, or the wholesalers to retailers. Okay, this will be called as a business to business. It's a very easy concept to have. And business to consumer is nothing but the producer to consumer, the retailer to consumer, the manufacturer to consumer directly. Okay, this will be called as the business to consumer, right? Okay, the best example for that business to consumer is, yeah, already I saw that the manufacturer to consumer, producer to consumer. Now we are moving to the next concept, consumer to consumer. How the consumers are going to do the commercial activities within their category. Okay, within their category, consumer to consumer. How the products are exchanging within the consumer? Is it possible? Yeah, is it possible? Right? All we know is that the OLX, right? The picker. Okay, the OLX is nothing but a small mediator who jointly interacts with the 2 areas of consumers, right? So OLX is going to act as a mediator, a broker for connecting 2 areas of consumers together, right? So this is called the concept consumer to consumer, right? I am a consumer from South India, you are the consumer from North India. Through OLX, I am going to share my products or services to you for some amount of profit. It will be called as the consumer to consumer, right? And the final concept is customer to business. Customer to business. This is a new area for us, I think, right? Most of you have no idea on this also. Consumer to business. Consumer to business means when consumers sell their products or services to the business. It is preferably the best method when the company needs to get feedback of the people itself, right? Service providers who work on online, like the content creators, right? The social media managers, like that, the meme creators, like that. Okay, the programmers or the brand managers or the art workers, those who are creating their artwork and selling their artwork to some more business peoples also, right? So social media users who fill in survey and promote products and services will be called as the consumer to business. Okay, right? These are the basic 4 categories of the commercial activities, and these are the basic key points we can easily find out from the commerce. E-commerce or the digital commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet, right? It is conducted over computers, tablets, smartphones, and other smart devices. Almost anything can be purchased through e-commerce today. Yes, we can purchase or we can get anything through internet, and without any support of the physical people, right? It can be a substitute for brick and mortar stores. Through some businesses choose to maintain both. E-commerce operates in 4 market segments, including business to business, business to consumer, consumer to business, as well consumer to business. Okay, and the advantages of the digital commerce. Advantages of the digital commerce, and the first advantage is, these are the major advantages, right? Beyond this, there are a lot of advantages are there in the digital commerce. For the time constraint, I just stated just 9 advantages of digital commerce, right? The first one is fast buying process. Customers can spend less time shopping for what they want. They can easily browse through many items at a time as well and buy what they like, right? When online, customers can find items that are available in physical stores far away from them or not found in their locality, right? Okay, for example, how to say that, I'm a customer who goes to a store to buy a washing machine, right? I'm a customer and I want to purchase a washing machine. After searching, I realized that I cannot find a product I want. I cannot find the product I want. Okay, so at that situation, I get into a popular commercial website, and find the washing machine. Okay, what is even better is that which I am searching. Okay, clear. So this is the basic example. I am a person and I am wanted to purchase a washing machine through a local stores, but I cannot find the best product in the stores, and the stores having some limited models itself. So just I'm logging to the best commercial website, and it shows me a lot of models with the washing machines, right? So the faster buyer process is nothing but it having the filter options like that. I can able to find the best washing machine in the market. I can purchase the least rate of the washing machine, and I can purchase the best brand of the washing machine like that. Okay, so there is a way that e-commerce come to rescue for many shoppers. They go online. Okay, for example, Amazon having online. Okay, in India, there are so many biggest stores like Trends, Reliance Trends, all you know that. Okay, Big Bazaar, all you know that. Okay, M Bazaar, all you know that. These are the physical stores, and they are also providing online services to their customers. They are providing online services to their customers. This is the most noted point. Okay, physical stores are also providing online services to their customers. Clear? And the second one is store and product listing creation. A product listing is what the customer sees when they search for an item. Okay, when we are going to search some item, the product list is the most needed one. This is the one advantage in e-commerce mean for the seller. This online business is that you can personalize your products listing after creating them. Okay, sellers can add many things. That means that's like a description, the product category, the product specifications, the various prices, right? The online selling is describing with various prices itself, right? Like that, cash on delivery, this much of price, right? While you are giving the amount through UPI payment, we will give you some benefits. If you are paying the amount through Axis Bank credit card, you can get more 5% cashback itself. If you are getting SBI credit card, you can get 200 rupees off offer. Like that, the pricing variations are also available in the online. as well as the shipping fee and waiver of shipping fee, the exact delivery date, right? And you can able to track the delivery and track the product itself. Okay, right. So these are the store product listing creations in the concept. And the third one is the cost reduction. If we are moving to the digital commerce, the cost reduction is highly possible for the customers as well as the suppliers, right? The suppliers will get most cost reduction as well. The consumers also will get most cost reduction, right? This is the one of the biggest advantage of the digital commerce to keep the business alive. Okay, many sellers have to pay lots of amounts and they can face lots of expenses for maintaining their physical stores. But in the online store, there is no cost maintenance. The maintenance cost is only for website hosting, right? That's the main charge. Apart from that, there is no maintenance cost for online stores. Okay, and the fourth concept is affordable advertising and marketing, right? If we are moving for a physical store, the marketing and promotional activities get more and more charges, but in the online store, it will be so easy, right? For simply, I'm saying that you are watching a movie in a television. You are watching a movie in a television. If there is some advertisements is coming, simply we can switch it to our next channel, right? But in the mobile phones, we are using YouTube or Netflix or some other else. Okay, they are also providing some advertisements, right? But in that situation, we cannot able to skip the advertisements to the next level, right? Because the digital commercial peoples clearly noted that most of the peoples are using mobile phones or tabs for their digital commercial activities. They are not using any other thing. Did you know that nearly 35% of the consumers, 35% of the people are using their mobile phones for online shopping only, right? Did you believe it or not? This is the fact. More than 35% of the people using their mobile phones for online purchasing from the mobile itself, right? Okay, the fifth concept is flexibility for customers, right? An important advantage of the digital commerce to business is the digital commerce is highly flexible for both the customers as well as the suppliers as well as the producers as well as the proprietors, right? Okay, because it will run 24 into 7. Okay, for a year it has 365 days. We can easily do our business activities throughout the year without any interruption. Okay, clear? Consumers are always present on any e-commerce marketplace. Okay, clear? And the sixth concept is product and price comparisons. Sorry, before that, no reach limitations is there. Okay, a seller with a physical store may only be able to reach a certain number of buyers within the region, right? If, for example, you are from Jammu, right? If you are running your business in Jammu with a physical store, right? So you can cover a limited number of buyers only within your locality, right? Within Jammu only you can do your business activities or you can purchase the product, right? If you are doing your business through online, through digital mode, you can reach your customers beyond your locality, right? I am from South India and I can easily do business transactions with you. Okay, I can easily get the Kashmir apple, exact original Kashmir apple to my South Indian people through the digital commerce, right? So there is no limitations in the areas. Okay, so there is no limitations on getting customers for our business. Here, the next concept is the product and price comparison. If you are doing your traditional, for I am moving to a store and I want to purchase a mobile phone like that. Okay, mobile phone is a very easy product for us, right? If I am going for a mobile shop and I want to purchase a mobile phone, okay, if I want to know about the specifications of a particular mobile, that shopkeeper or the owner of the shop will give me some ideas about what he knows only, right? What he knows only about the product, he will deliver that information to me, and according to that information, I will decide is it better for me or is it not better for me, right? Is it affordable for me or it is beyond our budget, right? Like that, I'm going to decide. But in the online shopping or the digital shopping, it is so simple, right? Because this artificial intelligence will give me so much of information about what are the mobile phones available right now in this market, right? This product is available or not, right? What are the best products beyond this? What are the worst products beyond this? What are the advantages of this? What are the drawbacks of this? And also it will give me the feedbacks of the current users of this product, right? It will show me the ratings. According to the rate, I will decide this product is okay or not, right? According to the reviewers review, I can decide this product is worthy or this product is quality or this product is chuma, like that. Okay, shoppers can save time using online marketplaces, that they get other benefits like faster delivery, comfort of shopping from home, quick price comparison, because price comparison is most uh, thing we are doing as an Indian peoples. We never compare the qualities of the product, right? This is the Indian mentality. Normally, the Indian peoples are not comparing the qualities of the product. They will compare the prices of the products only, right? For in the traditional commerce, we cannot able to compare the prices within a stipulated price. But in the digital commerce, we can easily compare the prices as well as the specifications as well as the quality itself, right? And next concept is faster response to buyer as well as the market demand. Every interaction is faster when you begin selling online, right? Within a second, that artificial intelligence will get the information to me. What are the products available in the market? What is the price of the market? Who are the sellers, right? For example, if I decide to purchase a HP laptop from the uh, area of Delhi, from the area of Delhi. Okay, but if I want to purchase it a physical manner, I am going to each and every shops located in Delhi. Beyond Delhi, I cannot go anywhere. But in the digital commerce, I can able to purchase a laptop from Delhi itself, otherwise from Jammu, like that. Because there are so many sellers are there associated with this digital commerce. Those who are giving more proper price for the product, or those who are providing more offers for the product, or those who are providing more customer services for the product, I can prefer that much as possible. Okay, and the final concept is that several payment methods are available in this digital commerce. Okay, while we are going to a traditional commerce or while we are going to a physical store, I can pay through cash or through credit card or through a QR payment. Okay, like that. These are the most familiar payments in the physical store, but in the online store there are more payments like that. Everyone knows that cash on delivery. The second one is Google Pay, Paytm, like that. The third one is internet banking. The fourth one is credit card banking. The fifth one is debit card banking. Apart from this, we can easily able to create a EMI for that product also. Too much of time and we will have so much of formality. But in the online store to create an EMI, it will so easy. Clear? Okay. Right. Limitations of digital commerce, security and hacking, site crash, network issues, no possibility of tried and tested product. These are some of the limitations. But now I'm here to deliver the positive approach of the digital commerce in the artificial intelligence with the support of artificial intelligence. So I'm not going to focus much on these limitations, right? So I'm just skipping to the next. The basic examples of artificial intelligence we are having right now in our practical life is that maps and navigation. Maps and navigation, right? The second one is the facial detection and recognition. The third one is text editors or the autocorrect processes. Search and recommendations algorithms. Right. The fourth one is chatbots, digital assistants, social medias, e-payments. Right. So these are the basic examples of the artificial intelligence. Right now, I'm moving with the first concept, maps and navigations. We already discussed about if I am from South Indian people, I want to reach Jammu. Right in the past areas, I have to hire some guides with me for reaching Jammu. But today, it's so simple. With a simple Google map, I can travel any part of the world. Okay, clear? Maps and navigation. The second concept is the facial detections and recognition. Right, facial detection through a mobile phone is the best invention of the Apple. Right? How many of you know that? I don't know. The sensor, right? The opening a mobile phone with a sensor is invented by the Apple company, right? As well, the touchscreen mobiles was invented by the Apple company. As well, the facial detections in a mobile phone, that means a face lock is also. And the third one is text editors. We already using with our mobile phones, with our laptops, with our documents, with our mailing services like that. And the fourth one is the search and recommendation algorithms, right? We know it very well on how where we are going to search something like that in a YouTube or in a Amazon or in a Netflix or simply in a Google itself, right? We can easily get what are the information we need from our search, right? Apart from that, it will recommend some more things to us as per the selections similar to our mindset. Okay, and the fifth one is chatbots. Chatbots is nothing but the customer service. If I'm having some issues with the concept of Microsoft, with the products of Microsoft, right? In the earlier period, I have to call the customer care of the Microsoft, but today I have to create a ticket. I have to create a ticket with the chatbots of the Microsoft. The chatbots will respond me as per my requisitions. Clear? And the next concept is digital assistant. Okay, when we have our hands full, we often resort to ordering a digital assistants to perform tasks on our behalf. Okay, like that, this digital assistance can be called as Cortana, right? Siri or Google Workspace, like that. It can easily, simply we can say that in our mobile phone there is a Google Assistant. Okay, this Google Assistant will assist us. Call to Dinesh Gupta sir. It will easily make a call to our Professor Dinesh Gupta. Okay, otherwise open WhatsApp. This is the simple command given by me to my mobile phone. It will simply open my WhatsApp as well. Please type a message. Okay, if I want to make a message to our professor, I can give that command through my voice itself. This is called as the digital assistant. And the seventh one is social media and e-payments. Already we know much more about this concept. Okay, this is the growth of artificial intelligence in commerce. Now we are serving in the concept of industry 4.0, right? It's also having some more concepts, but I will switch it on. Okay. These are the main streams of the digital commerce, like online store, B2B, business to business, or the business to consumer, right? Mobile shopping, order management, payment integration, logistics management, inventory management, ERP, enterprises resources planning, as well the CRM, customer relationship management integration, AI, and board, right? AI in commercial products. Okay. Face ID, smart personal assistants, email categorization, smart reply, entertainment and social apps, Google navigations, ride sharing apps, banking and finance, Google predictive search algorithms, e-commerce, recommendations, AI in healthcare, like that. Okay, clear. Now I'm going to tell as much as possible because the time is running out. The first one is open your phone with Face ID. I already told about this. The company iPhone, the company Apple introduced this concept. Okay, this is also an artificial intelligence. This is the first thing we are using with the sensor, with the Face ID lock. We are going to use it. Okay. The second one is smart personal assistants, right? This will be called as the online shoppings. Okay, set reminders in the alarms or in the calendars or booking cabs. Okay, playing music, like that. Okay, emails. Already we see had more concepts about this email. That means a smart email categorization or a small reply categorization. Okay. In the earlier period, there is no scheduled response option in our email, but now the scheduled response option is there in our email ID. Okay. If I want to send a reply on a particular date on a particular time, right? For example, today I'm handling this session, but this 5 days FTP is completed on 11th March. Okay, today is 9th March. So I want to appreciate the whole team of the Yavananda, and I want to appreciate, I want to congratulate Engineer Dinesh Gupta on that particular event. Okay, so today itself I wrote a reply mail to the team and I scheduled it. Send this email ID, sorry, send this mail to the team on 11th March. Okay, if I fitted that, my Google will reply to send the reply on 11th itself, right? This is the smart replies in Gmail. And the third concept is, sorry, fourth concept is entertainment and social apps. We already knows much more information about this entertainments and social apps, like Facebook, like Instagram, like Netflix, and like YouTube. Okay, once we are searching some contents in the YouTube, it will surely recommend some of the concepts to us, like that, because this is happened through the artificial intelligence only, right? And the concept is Google navigation. Okay, if I want to travel to South India to North India, South Indian to Jammu, what are the best sources to travel? It may be a flight, or it may be a train, or it may be a bus. Okay, these are the information will be given by the artificial intelligence. By road, which is the convenient to travel, right? But by flight, which is the most preferable flight, or which is the most cheapest flight, like that, it, the informations are given by the Google navigation. Ride sharing apps like Uber and Ola. Okay, if I am approaching this, the Uber and Ola will give me the exact information, how long you are going to travel, right? How long you are going to travel, how much time it will take to complete your ride, what will be the approximate price, or what will be the approximate fare for your travel, like that. And next part is smart cars and self-driving cars. Already we have some more information about this. So I'm moving to the next concept, banking and finance. Okay, banking and finance is nothing but calculating the credit decisions, right? If I want to make, or I want to grab a credit options from from a bank or from a financial institution, okay, they will calculate my ratios according to my salary, according to my age, like that. But it will be a physical work. It will take too much of time, right? So it is an artificial intelligence work. It will calculate my salary, it will calculate my age, and how will be the provided amount of my loan, what will be the exact duration, right? Like that it will carry out. And the next concept is Google predictive search algorithms, and concept e-commerce. Next, AI in healthcare, video games, like that. Sir, if my voice is audible? Sir?
Yes, sir, you are very much audible, sir.
Hello? Yeah, okay, thank you so much. Thank you. These are the 5 artificial intelligence right now using Indian digital commerce, I will skip this concept in a fast manner. The first one is smart technology. This smart technology is fully focusing on this product only, right? In every home in India, they are using refrigerator, but I have no idea about this refrigerator or in Jammu, because Jammu is a very cold place, so there is no need to use this refrigerator in that Jammu, right? Because in South India, we are staying in a very hot place. Here, the climate will be so hot, so we are going to use the refrigerator regularly, right? In this is the product of a Samsung. This Samsung product shows that having 3 cameras interior, and it can replace the products by itself, and it will repeatedly intimating the status of the products we are kept inside the fridge, right? So this is the best artificial smart technology right now, and this refrigerator costs around 2.5 lakhs, clear. And chatbots is offering their services throughout their service, like that 24 into 7. In any time we can easily chat with the artificial intelligence technology, right? This will be the example for that. And customer relationship management is also one of the best advantage, and inventory management is also something, and image classification, it will be used in many of our search engines, right? For example, this will be that if you are going to purchase a product from Amazon, if I want to purchase a earphone or a headphone or a speaker, right? We can easily filter it by price or by comparison or by ratings, like that. Okay, clear, right? With that concept, I'm going to conclude my presentation. This will be the near future that how to teach the mechanics to think like a human. Okay, right. With this, I'm concluding my presentation. A very warm greetings as well. Happy thanks to the team. One minute. What is audible? Sir, is anybody there?
Yeah. Sir, now you are audible, but not clear. Your audio is not clear, sir.
Oh, okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
No, clear, sir.
Okay, right. Sir, I completed my presentation.
Anshu ma'am. Anshu ma'am, sir has completed his presentation.
Thank you, sir, for such a beautiful
Thank
and
you.
lovely talk. Now, I would like to invite Engineer Shivalika, Member Coordinating Committee Ycet, for the formal vote of thanks. Shivalika, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, I would like to invite Engineer Shivalika, Member Coordinating Committee Ycet, for the formal vote of thanks. Wait, sir, I think there is some problem, network problem from Shivalika's side.
No problem, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Anju, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I feel honored that I got an opportunity to extend the vote of thanks. Firstly, I would like to thank Dr. M. SELLADURAI, Assistant Professor, St. Joseph University, Nagaland, for such an informative and fruitful session. Thank you so much, sir, for your available time. I take immense pleasure in extending my sincere thanks to Dean Ycet, Mr. Dinesh Gupta, sir, Chief Coordinator, E.R. Verma, sir, HOD CSC, Engineer Robin Kumar, sir, Organizing Committee, and faculty members. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Sincere thanks to the team, Ycet and Sir Dinesh, sir. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our
you so
invitation
much.
and sparing your valuable time. That was really a
you.
wonderful session. Only there
Thank
was
you, sir.
some internet issue. Otherwise, there was a very beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you
Thank
once
you, sir.
again, sir. Thank you very much.
Because while conducting the programs through online, there is a lot of troubles facing by me to handle the session.
No issue, sir. But all participants has shown their patience as well. I would like to thank them also. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All other participant
Thank you, ma'am.
registration link, feedback in link is already shared on your chat box. Those who has not filled, kindly filled that link. So we will close the session after 5 or 10 minutes. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.